Hello from Slovenia again. Today I have 10 by 10 inch canvas on my spinning table. It's just a cake spinner, and I will just do a kind of, how can I say, monochromatic in a way, reverse flower dip, and I will pour my paints over this glass bottom to create some nice petal shapes. And of course I will use my pearl white mixture because I want to get some kind of lacing. So I'm hoping for some flower, lacy flower in blues, and I have gold too. So I will start, and I have my paints in squeeze bottles, and I will put, so you see, I just did something that I shouldn't, so doesn't matter. I will start with, I have my paints in squeeze bottles obviously, with Prussian blue phthalo from Amsterdam, and I will just pour a little more of that for a start. And the next one is of course my pearl white, and the next one is royal gold from Artist Colors. It doesn't look so nice now, but I know that it will be gorgeous when it dries. And pearl white again, and here I mixed Prussian blue from Amsterdam with Pebeo iridescent blue green, and this will be all, and I will just repeat the process. Just remove some of this blue here in the middle, and those petals are not a nice shape, so we'll have to improvise. It's not the same as when I use my flower-shaped cup, so I don't know how this will work. So I will spray my napkin with some water to just soften it down. I didn't spray it here enough, and I will just put this down. And I know that I have enough paint, you know, to have a flower on the whole canvas, so that's why I was thinking to do it that way, that I will be spin it out, spun or spin. Okay, let's leave that napkin and see if there is any magic underneath. I was expecting a little more of the lacing. So let's add just a little more paint on the corners where I see that I miss some, and I will spin it out. I can leave it like this too, you know, because it will level out almost entirely, but not completely. And this Prussian blue is a transparent color, so it's not so opaque, and it doesn't cover the canvas okay, but I'm just thinking to leave this like it is, because it's just gorgeous. I really don't want to spin that, so I will just really finish these corners with paint and let it dry, and the sides I will do off camera, that I will not bother you with this process. Now I will just do this for the sides. I will just pour my paint from a squeeze bottle on the sides and cover them nicely. So And as I said, it will pretty much level out, so I will be okay with the sides too. Just helping paint to flow down a little bit. Oh, I really like it. I like the center. I like everything. So here is a close-up. I'm in love with this flower. My pearl white did the magic. I was afraid at first because it didn't look much when I started, and I'm in love with the center. It's just so beautiful. That's why I decided that I will not spin it out, because I think that it is perfect as it is. Weird light, but no, this way maybe. So I'm really happy with this one. Tell me what you think about it. Do you like it too? It's just exactly what I was imagining, you know, this lacy, beautiful flower. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!